Are you in need of a top-notch firefighting design for your commercial building in Marathahalli, Bangalore? Look no further than SCON Design India Private Ltd. With their expertise and experience in fire safety and design, they are the perfect choice to ensure the safety of your building and its occupants. SCON Design India specializes in creating innovative and effective firefighting designs that not only meet the required safety standards, but also take into consideration the unique requirements of your commercial building. When it comes to fire safety, there is no room for compromise. That's why SCON Design India is dedicated to providing the best firefighting design solutions to their clients. With their team of highly skilled and knowledgeable professionals, they are able to assess the risks and requirements of your commercial building and come up with a customized firefighting design that suits your needs. SCON Design India understands the importance of staying up to date with the latest advancements in fire safety technology. That's why they constantly strive to improve their knowledge and skills in order to provide their clients with the most effective firefighting design solutions. They are well versed in all the relevant codes and regulations and ensure that their designs comply with them. The team at SCON Design India is committed to delivering excellence in every project they undertake. They take a collaborative approach, working closely with their clients to understand their vision and requirements. By combining their expertise with your specific needs, they are able to create a firefighting design that not only meets all safety regulations, but also enhances the overall functionality and aesthetics of your commercial building. Are you looking for the best firefighting design for your commercial building in Marathahalli, Bangalore? Look no further because SCON Design India Private Ltd. has got you covered. With their expertise in fire safety and innovative designs, they are the perfect choice for any firefighting design requirements. SCON Design India understands the importance of safety and takes it very seriously, making them the ideal partner for your commercial building project. When it comes to fire safety, there is no room for compromise. That is why SCON Design India ensures that their firefighting designs are of the highest quality, meeting all safety regulations and standards. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who specialize in fire safety and are well versed in the latest technologies and techniques. With their expertise, they can create a custom firefighting design that is tailored to your specific needs and requirements. SCON Design India takes into consideration various factors when designing fire safety systems for commercial buildings in Marathahalli, Bangalore. They analyze the layout of the building, the types of materials used, the occupancy load, and other relevant factors to determine the most effective firefighting design. By doing so, they ensure that every aspect of fire safety is covered, from early